Hello, Facebook. This is Walter Lundy with RegionalITServices.com, professional technology assistance, computer IT services.com, web hosting, security, virus removal, affordable domains, as well as a variety of other professional technology assistant services. We make technology accessible, leave the technology to us so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. But I just wanted to show y'all before I wrapped up real quick. I'm about to get out of here in a second. But I just wanted to show y'all the inside of this server real quick for those of you who may not be familiar with the inner workings of the server. That's the server right there that I'm working on. Almost in my video. But that's the server right there that I'm working on. I got it down on the floor. Can y'all see it all opened up? Working on it, about to close it up, put it back in the rack. But just wanted y'all to take a look at it real quick for those of you who are new to IT, looking to get into IT, or need someone like myself to assist you with your IT needs. Go to our website, www.regionalitservices.com. You can book your appointment online, or you can contact us, and we will be able to assist you as needed. We specialize in helping small to medium-sized businesses, as well as individual end users and work-at-home users. This way, you don't have to worry about the technology. We worry about it for you. All I'm about to do now is I just got finished replacing some hard drives in this server. I'm about to close it back up, rack it back on up here in the data center. For those of you who get your backup services through our company, this is the service we host it on. So just letting you know that you're in good hands. Even though we're a small company, we have a large and robust infrastructure. I want to make sure that I can provide the exact services to my customers that the large companies can, but with a more affordable and personalized service. That's the advantage that we have over the larger companies. Just think of it like an army. A small mobile army will be able to move around and get around a lot faster and more efficient than a large, cumbersome army. So that's what we are. Think of us as that small, efficient, run and gun, easy to move, tailored to fit to your needs army, but on the IT side. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and close this server up. For those of you who got brands, ideas, businesses out there, I can't stress enough how important it is for you to protect your brand. Use our websites by registering your domain. Protect that brand or idea. If you got a company and you don't have that domain registered, you're really taking a chance. As well as if you haven't registered your first name, last name.com, you're taking a chance as well, because I'm sure there's other people that share the same name as you. So it's a limited resource. If you don't register it, someone will. My name is registered, walterlundy.com. I haven't put anything on the site yet, but I figure I'll use it later on to post my resume. But anyways, you can use your site for whatever you want to. Protect your brand. If you got any computer repair, IT, or any technology, networking, web design, and everything in between, give us a call. We'll be happy to assist you. Professional technology assistance, IT services, affordable domains. I am so proud of the fact that you can now register your domains through us. That really puts us in a different category than your normal mom and pop computer repair shop. Not to mention that we have state-of-the-art servers that we host our data continuity, our data backup, data recovery, web hosting services. For those of you that run your own company, as well as those that have their personal PCs that they use for school, business, even for personal use, for your pictures, programs, all of that stuff, all your files, use our service to back up those files. In today's age, if you lose your data, you pretty much put yourself out of business or cost yourself a whole bunch of money. So in order to avoid that or become a victim of ransomware, a lot of small businesses think that they're not a target, but believe me, you are the very people that hackers target because they know that you can't afford IT staff, or the chances of you having an IT staff in-house is small to none. So therefore, it's easier to take advantage of a smaller company than prey on one of these larger companies that has a whole team of people like myself dedicated to protecting their system against breaches and hackers, viruses, etc. So for you small companies, protect yourself, protect your brand, use our services. Our website is www.regionalitservices.com. And from here, you can book your appointment online for any technical issues. You can contact us via our form. You can register your .com, sign up for web hosting, design your website using our website builder tools, sign up for our virus and security services, as well as a bunch of other products we offer. We offer personalized email to go with your domain of your choice. If you're a business, it looks a lot more professional for your email to be at yourbusiness.com or at the name of yourbusiness.com versus your business name at Yahoo or your business name at Gmail. It looks a lot more professional to have. Like, for example, our email is support@regionalitservices.com. Anyways, I'm going to show y'all the inside of that server one more time for those of you who are not familiar with it.